So check this thing out. I just built this yesterday. I'm going to use this to take my 120-pound air conditioners up and down every year. I got two of them, so I need something. I live in an old house. The stairs go straight up. There's not a lot of room. So I had to make something. It's 20 feet long. Goes up to my second floor porch. For anybody that doesn't have a porch, I could have taken it right to the window where it's actually going to be installed. But since there's a couch behind there, I thought I'd just take it up to the porch. This thing's a beast. I already took up one. Show you how it works. Got a 1,300-pound hoist on it. Platform goes right up. I made this thing so I could take it apart in half. So it's 10 feet by 10 feet when I got it disassembled. Which wasn't too easy because I had to make sure I had enough stability in the middle. I could handle the weight and handle it like a charm. It's got 12 rollers on it. Smooth glide. That's it. Check this thing out. Got wheels on the track up here, on the side, on the bottom. There shouldn't be any pinch points anywhere. Like I said, 1,300-pound hoist. Single strand is like 440 pounds, which is why I went with a 1,300. Notched it out in the middle. And like I said, I can take it apart. Two 10-foot sections. That's the plan. Thing's a beast. Love it already. Looking to get about 10 years out of this thing if I can. Anything breaks or needs to be replaced, lightweight pine, everything come off one section at a time and just replace it. That's it.